Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, if you are also stuck on a Facebook checkpoint that is not loading, and we are going to solve this issue right now in today's video. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So if you're using a browser or a mobile application, the most common issue is having corrupted temporary files for the loading issues. So for that, we can clear up the cache and that will resolve the problem. So go over and look out for the um, Chrome browser and tap on it. After you tap on it, you may just go over and look out for the three dot in the top and select it. After that, you just need to head over and look out for the settings option and tap on it. And within settings, what we need to do is scroll down and look out for the option of privacy and security and select it. Once you select it, you can look out for the option of delete browsing data and select it. And then here, look out for the cookies and site data and tap on delete data from here. If not this, what we can do is we can just go over and clear the cache for Facebook application. Head over and long press on Facebook for that and go over the info tab at the top. And once you go over to the info tab, you may just scroll down and look out for the storage option and tap on it. And within storage, you can look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right corner and select it. And that should often resolve the problem. Apart from that, what we can do is we can force close and reopen the application if you're using the app. So hold the Facebook application for that and go to the info section at the top and select it. And within here, look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and select it. And just go over and tap on OK to confirm it up. This is one of the very simple steps that can resolve the temporary glitches. Also, you can go over and clear the app's cache. So look out for the storage option and select it. And within storage, look out for the clear cache option and also clear the data if necessary. If the app itself is corrupted, what we can do is we can uninstall and reinstall. That should fix the issue. So hold the Facebook application for that and look out for the uninstall option or disable option. After that, you can reinstall it or you can download the latest version of the Facebook application once again. Apart from that, you can wait for 24 to 48 hours if you have saved several login attempts, and that should fix the issue. That should lift the checkpoint not loading issue automatically and work for you. So that is it, everybody. Those are some of the solutions you can try out. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.